What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are back inside the machine, and I want to show you guys how to get a lo-fi sound without using any type of external plugins or third-party plugins, or even a plugin called lo-fi inside the machine. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this tutorial, but before I do, I need you to do me a favor, and that is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on the bell notification so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's tutorial, which is adding a lo-fi type of sound without using a plugin. All right, so as you can see, I've already loaded my sound here, which is the 808 sound right here called Airwalks, and I'll just play that for you. All right, and then when you load it up, you notice how it's going to say voice settings right here. It says engine, then you have pitch, and you have an effects/filter. This is where you want to be right here in effects/filter. And then you're going to have some other options. So you have comp, drive, SR, and bits. And you also have the filter. Today we're going to be focusing on the SR, which is the sample rate. Right now, it sounds kind of bare, but if I adjust the sample rate, kind of adds a different character to the sound. So that is what the SR does. Now we have also something called bits. And then even if we adjust this just a little bit, it just kind of adds a little bit of noise to the sample here. And when you adjust these two together, it creates like this unique type of sound. So it's pretty cool when you use those two together. Now, also what you can do, if you want to take it a step further, you can also go ahead and add a filter. So you can turn this to maybe like a low pass, a high pass, a band pass. But let me go ahead and switch to the other screen so we can kind of see it a little bit better here. So say, for example, if I turn this to low pass number 2, you'll see the curves right here. And then you can kind of adjust it from right here. And that's just one of the ways you can get a nice lo-fi sound without having to use any type of third-party plugins or a bit crusher. You can do it all right here inside the machine. So it's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. I hope you guys found this tutorial to be valuable. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. Your boy Young Fizz, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. We out.